What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, in the last few months, there have been numbers of rumors and reports regarding the upcoming Huawei P50 series of smartphones. We have seen a lot of concepts videos as well as renders of the phone, even some fake images. But I will say through these renders, we understood one thing, that the camera will have new layout. And it's finally getting confirmed because today, we got an official renders of the upcoming Huawei P50 series, courtesy of Rodent, who is a well-known Huawei leakster. So these are the images. They reveal the rear panel of the device, and the most striking aspect is the unique camera module on the back that have two large rings. These dual rings contains a total of 4 cameras, which includes one large 1-inch sensor that is likely the primary lens of the handset. And the other one have 3 cameras, which somehow indicates that these are the renders of the Huawei P50 Pro. Furthermore, the tipster claims that these images are not mock-ups but the official renders from the Chinese tech giant. Anyway, the exact specifications of the cameras are unknown, but Rodent said that the smartphone is having a variable periscope camera, so we can say the zooming lens is still there. And that is pretty much all we get from these images. Well, as I told you in my previous video that a Vivo leakster is claiming that Xiaomi, Vivo and Meizu are also approaching Huawei in order to use Harmony operating system in their smartphones. And also a lot of you guys were asking me that can Harmony operating system will be used on smartphones other than Huawei? Well, I guess now I have a solid answer, and the answer is yes, because we got a video which shows a Xiaomi device running Harmony operating system, which is like really surprising to me. Although he did not show the operation of the operating system, it's just limited to demonstrating the moment of launching the smartphone. So yeah, keep in mind that this video could be fake, but it's clear that Harmony operating system is an open source operating system. Like it's free to install on any device at your own risk. So indeed, it is now possible to install Harmony operating system on any Android smartphone. So what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and if you somehow found this video, as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.